Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So if you thought the correct output is 1235, well, that's not the case. It's actually 123. If you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here y is equal to x. That means x and y are related to the same list, which is 1, 2, and 3. But why we didn't get 1, 2, 3, 5 when we printed y? Well, actually, what happens is that when you use the plus operator, instead of adding 5 to the same list in the memory, it actually creates a separate and a new entry in the memory. So this link is crossed and this link is created. However, y is still linking to 1 to 3. That's why we got 1 to 3 when we printed y, and x became 1 to 3 5.